Another broken plate, another called off date. We never seem to.
Welcome to today's vlog. We are driving into Honolulu because I'm gonna be getting my hair done. Woohoo!
I think mine might be longer than yours.
Regret it all. When I think it through, I can help the way I feel for you. You make me lose my mind like all the time. It still feels right. Stuck in an endless fight like every night. It still feels right. Even the worst can stay. I wouldn't change a thing, 'cause without you everything means nothing. You make me lose my mind like all the time. It still feels right.
I haven't seen my hair without extensions in so long. So different. It feels so light. Oh my god. Alright, it's all done. It feels so much lighter. I'm like really happy that I got a little bit of a trim. I'm waiting for Adam to pick me up. Got my hair done. Got a boost job. Just kidding. My phone.
We just made it through, and I love the way I feel for you. Baby, you make me lose my mind like all the time. It still feels right.
We are back home now, and here you can kind of see how it looks, I guess, without the mask on, right? But I didn't get any color in it this time. I think maybe next time. We talked about like just popping a couple highlights up into it, but I'm just trying to keep it super, super healthy. Adam and I have a business call we have to hop on here shortly, and then I'm probably just gonna be ordering dinner. I know, I've been trying so hard to show recipes and like easy to make dinners in videos, but I think tonight we're just doing takeout, huh? It's a busy day. It's a busy day. Oh, and I wanted to show you guys this too. This is so crazy. So while I was pumping, when I was getting my hair done, I cannot believe this. I pumped 5 ounces on one side and 4 ounces on the other. Like, insane.
Hey, Lucy, that's milk for you, baby. Little milk for you. That opened up in a bottle for you.
That is.
Had in the booby bubbles, then it went into the bag, and then he's gonna put it in a bottle, and you can feed it with him.
Here, show me what you made at school today. What song do you sing with that?
So good, so.
You don't sing Baby Shark? I thought you sang Baby Shark, do do
I
do do
say
do.
Sharky, Sharky, baby Sharky, go and have baby Sharky.
Okay, nice.
Oh yeah, no, that's so cool. I actually think I worked on a campaign at the same time for that bid. So, no, it's so crazy. Yeah, like, I don't know, probably 10, 15 years ago. Yeah. But no, I am really impressed. Like, I'm excited about it. I'm excited about the opportunity, and I know Bree is too.
And I can't wait to actually just share more of the ideas and then see like what he actually comes up with. So. We just got off of the call, and I'm so excited. I can't share the details of it yet, but you'll get to know it all really soon. They being like so cute back there. Like, stop. Aww. He probably needs a nap, but he was very good while we were on our call. I'm so excited. I wish I could share more details, but it'll be coming soon. I'm really excited because in the mail today, my new eyeglasses came, and I need your help to tell me which of these 5 pairs you think I should actually keep. I ordered them from Warby Parker. Huge thank you to Warby Parker for sponsoring this video. Warby Parker is committed to exceptional vision care, both online and in stores, and they offer prescription eyeglasses, sunglasses, eye exams, and contact lenses. And Warby Parker is very affordable. Most of the frames start at $95. They also donate a pair of glasses to someone in need for every pair of glasses purchased, which is so cool. I did their free at-home try-on where it's so easy. You just go online, you take a quiz about your face shape, and it will recommend to you then the frames that are going to look best on your face. So these are the 5 that I picked, but I still need your help to tell me which of these 5 you think I should actually order. It's been like 2 years, I think, since I got new eyeglasses, so overdue. But this is pair number 1. You know how we like these. And the second pair, I thought these were actually kind of cool, being clear. I don't know, they were just different than I feel like any other glasses I've had before. So pair number 2, how do we like these? Number 3 matches the hair today. They're like ombre frames. Do we like number 3? Again, let me know in the comments which of these you think I should actually keep. And what I love about this too, it's like no obligation. So if you don't think I should keep any of them, you can say that too, and I can ship them all back. It's like super easy. You just put them back in the box and they provide a shipping label. You send it right back. But this is number 4. These are a bit, I think these are like the most oversized ones out of the box. So let me know how you like 4. And last but not least, these blue. They're kind of cool. Blue. It's number 5. So let me know which 1 through 5 you think I should actually go with out of all of them. So visit warbyparker.com/Brianna K to try Warby Parker's free home try-on program. Order 5 pairs of glasses to try at home for free for 5 days. There's no obligation to buy. It ships free and includes a prepaid return shipping label. But I'll have it linked down in my description box below, warbyparker.com/Brianna K, if you would like to do the at-home try-on as well. It is just such a dreary day here today. I'm like not used to all the gray skies. And we did decide on takeout, so DoorDash just got here. We're going with Aloha salads. And let's see, I know Adam got one. I think this is Adam's. So Adam got like, I think it was called the Aloha salad, but it had mango and grapes and fruit on it. And I don't remember what mine was called, but I know I got steak on mine. And mine has like steak, avocado, carrots, tomatoes. I added bacon too, but they look really good.
Yeah.
Good choice. Yeah.
Look at this happy boy. He goes out to say, "Gonna make you laugh." He goes out. I'm gonna make you laugh. Who's so happy? Who's ticklish? Who's ticklish? Under his arms, he's ticklish. Are you ticklish there? Are you ticklish there? A bad mama jamma in my brand new pajamas. And I'm not from Alabama. But I'm a bad pajama bama. You silly.
Do you like these pajamas?
They're kind of like my green one.
They are kind of like yours. That's a twin. You look like Landon. You look like
You are the
Landon.
twin bros. They are the twin
You
bros.
twin bros. Are you?
The twins mean they're the same years old and were born on the same day.
Right, so twins are in their mommy's tummy at the same exact time. Whereas brothers, you were both in mommy's tummy, but at different times. Huh. Is that funny? Yeah? You got more to say?
Is this a baby hair wash?
Yeah, you want to brush his hair? He's such a good big brother. Huh?
Mommy,
Oh, you don't like that? It's okay. You just help him brush
Other
your
way,
hair.
buddy.
Yeah, brush it like upwards. That's what feels good. Can you brush your hair? Do you like that? Say thanks, brother. Thanks, Kenny. You're a good helper.
what are you looking at?
Looking at his dada.
It's like this.
Who's a good boy?
Quick!
Look at that.
Say hi, Daddy.
Hi, Bubba's.
I got 2 mama's boys. How did I get so lucky? I got 2 perfect boys. Huh? I think KK wants to eat. You want to eat your bedtime snack?
Bong.
You want to eat your bedtime snack, honey?
I want a bedtime
He's like,
snack also.
"Face plant."
there. Hi there. Hayden, I love you. Why are you getting so big on me? You're not allowed to be this big. You're not allowed to be this big. Huh? You're growing up too fast on me. How come babies grow up so fast? Huh? It's not fair to mamas. It's not fair to mamas. We love you so much and then you grow up on us so fast. You do. You grow up on us so fast. But you know what? No matter how big you grow, we love you so much. We love you so much. And I have no idea how this happened, but my 2 big kids have no clean pajamas, so Adam's trying to figure that out right now. I have no idea what he's gonna put them in for bed, but there's no clean pajamas right now. Hey, mommy's trying to be a minimalist and she just fails because she doesn't do laundry enough. Huh? Huh? What's that face? You can laugh at me, you know. You say, Mommy, that's funny. Mommy's just gotta throw getting it right out the window. Because I don't seem to ever get it right. As much as I would like for everything to be perfect, Mommy's always messing up, huh? Story of Mama's life. Where did you find your pajamas?
I'm in the hamper. Daddy washed. Daddy hand sanitizer them.
Oh, you mean he ran them on the sanitized cycle? In the washing machine. He hand sanitizered your pajamas.
That's why we labeled with skin.
Okay. So just in case no one's told you today, you're a great mom. You're doing a great job. It's okay if you didn't get to the laundry. It's okay if you didn't, you know, make your bed. It's fine. You're doing a good job. Yeah. Huh. See, all you want is the love and cuddles, right? And the boob milk. You want some boob milk too, but...
Yeah.
Parkour!
Whoa, I'm coming out fast.
Are you doing a parkour course? Parkour course? Why can't I say that? Parkour! Are you doing a parkour course? Do you even know what I'm talking about when I say parkour? Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
I think that's what Mommy and Daddy joked with The Office. If anybody wants to laugh, watch The Office parkour YouTube video.
Hey, babies. I'm not gonna scare at you. I'm gonna scare you. I'm gonna scare you, freak.
Don't scare a baby, guys. Be nice. He's like, what was I born into? What is this? Say goodnight, twin.
What happened, Mommy? What happened? Good night, Mom. I mean, good night, baby. Good night. Good night, babies. Good night. Good night, twin bro.
Aww.
Good night, baby, for Rosie.
Aww.
Mommy, what's this? Good night, baby. Good night, twin bro.
Aww.
Good night, funny baby. Ways. And Mommy, guess what words I sounded out all by myself at school?
What word?
Control and video games.
You did?
I sounded them out the right way.
Wow.
Can you believe it?
I'm so proud of
I
you.
can't believe I can use such big words.
I'm really proud of you. I can believe you can because you're a good reader.
I change on different colored days.
My many colored days. I want you to tell me the colors when I point to them, okay? Some days are
Yellow.
Wait, I want to ask you a question before you read it. What color are you today? You're brown? Why, just because you're wearing brown pajamas? Well, how do you actually feel? Like, what color do you feel?
The color I feel is blue.
Blue? Because you're like the bird flapping its wings? What color are you, Presley?
I feel pink.
Pink? Happy pink? It's great to jump and just not think. That just describes you. Pinkies. What color do you think Mommy is today?
I think you are red.
Red?
No, I think you are. You feel like you are orange.
I'm orange.
You feel
So I'm kind of happy and excited, right? Like the horse and the seal, getting excited.
really more brown.
I'm brown,
Yeah.
sad and low down. I'm not sad.
I mean, you're
I'm tired.
you're orange, I mean. You're definitely orange.
I am tired though, and I'm sure you guys are tired
Then you
too.
should be brown then.
Brown and tired, yeah. We're gray, right? Gray kind of still and tired and quiet. All right, give me a kiss. Give me a kiss.
Can I read the book?
We have to say our prayers.
No, I
You down to sleep. Pray the Lord my soul to keep. Safely guide me through the night. Wake me with the morning light. Amen.